what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mix it up tutorial. This is on making a prediction command. And I know that Twitch already has a prediction command, but the command that we're making is going to streamline it a little bit. So when you make a prediction, there's some extra stuff you have to enter. Sometimes you have to rewrite the question. Sometimes you have to type in like what you want to put for yes or no again, to select the duration, and then hit submit. So there's a lot of places you have to move your mouse and click and type again. And if we make our prediction command, you're just going to be typing in exclamation point prediction. In my case, the template for the prediction I'm going with is will gold beat this boss in X tries, where X can be 1 to however many tries you want. So let's say you're not that good at games, or you think you're not that good at games, you could say like 10 tries if you wanted to, but it's just a lot to count if you do that. Really, I think you should keep it at 5 just so you can remember, but you can also make other predictions. You can, if you don't want to use will whoever you are beat this in X tries, you can go like, will I beat this in 30 minutes? Will I beat this in 60 minutes? Or, you know, however much time you want to make it. You can make that template however you want. Assuming that prediction type is one that you use very often so that you can reuse the command. But yeah, so in my case, I'll go like exclamation point prediction, space 3, space something for yes, something for no, then enter. And that'll make a new prediction for me. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Before I continue, I am on Twitch. I stream Tuesday through Thursday, and on Saturdays from like 4 p.m. to 6 or 7 p.m. I stream like an hour earlier on Saturdays. If you'd like to catch me, please follow me on Twitch, and we can hang out. We can chat with me, talk about video games, or mix it up, or whatever else you want to talk about. And yeah, if you found the video valuable, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Okay, let's look at the command. So I'm going to click on the top left for the menu, go to commands. Wrong spot. Commands. Okay, and I called mine tries, but you can call it whatever you want. Okay, so I have a few things going on here. Now, first of all, I've set the user permissions to streamer and moderator, and if you want to set more than one user role for this of who's allowed to use this command, we'll switch this from simple to advanced to do that. Okay. And then as far as this is a special identifier. So click on the drop down, go to special identifier, hit the plus sign. Okay. And I call this tries. It's going to take arg1 text. And just to be clear, in case you don't know what that is, what that special identifier stands for is if I go prediction and then 3, this number here is going to be the arg1 text. Okay, and that's going to be the number of tries that will be in our prediction. Okay. We have another special identifier. This is called try plus. The reason why I didn't call it try yes is because it's confusing to me when I have like 2 letters next to each other that are like the same, like the starting word, the first word and the second word. If the letter that the first word ends with is the same letter as the second word begins with, it's confusing to me. So instead of calling it try yes, I just call it try plus. And you can't do symbols on this, otherwise I would do that. So try plus. And this will be the arg2 text. Okay, now same idea. We got prediction, 3 tries, could be yes, it could be definitely. Now what it can't be is like hell yes. it can't be like that because it's recognizing each of these as arguments. So argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. So we can't do that. What I haven't tested is whether you can go like this, like underscore yeah. So I have to try that later. I'm not sure if that works, but if you try it, let me know if that works for you. So we'll go just like yeah. Okay. This is our argument 2. So argument 2 text. Okay. And then we have try minus, just to kind of correspond to the, well, to be the opposite of try plus. This will be our negative answer for the prediction. And actually, let's make these, no, we don't need these globally usable, our math expression. Okay, so arg3 text. So in our command, we have 3 tries, yeah, and no. Okay, so our special identifiers are all set up. And I have 2 conditions here. Okay, so drop down, conditional, they hit the plus sign down here. So the reason why I have a conditional here is I have one conditional if you set the tries, in this case, to 1, just so we can have the proper like grammar for our prediction. So if tries equals 1, then we're going to trigger a switch command. And in this case, that switch command will be a prediction. And yeah, title is, will gold beat this boss? That's bad phrasing. We'll just say, will gold beat this boss first try? There you go. And then first outcome, try plus, second outcome, try minus, where it's pulling these 2 arguments, yeah or no. And that's it. We have it set to 60 seconds. Now, something you should know is I would have a 4th argument that puts a duration, but this does not take special identifiers, the duration in seconds. And yeah, I reached out to Mixitup about this to ask them if there's a way around this, and right now there is not. So if you wanted a way around this, you would just have to make another command. Like I could have a tries command that's called tries 60. Okay. And that just assumed that like all predictions in this command will have a duration of 60. Or if I make another command and I call it tries 120, then we could just assume that all of these predictions will be 120 seconds instead. And what you could do is you could export this. Wait, did I even click the right one? Let's see, this is import. Export this, everything that's in this command. And yeah, we can just call it tries 160. And when we make our tries 120 command, just import everything from our tries 60 command, but then just change the duration. So that's an easy way around it. It's not ideal. Ideally, we'd like to just set an argument, but yeah, that's the way you can do it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's what we do if we only have a prediction with 1 try. If it's a prediction with multiple tries, so this is the same as the first one, except if tries is greater than 1, you do this. Will gold beat this boss in special identifier, $tries. Okay, and then again our try plus and our try minus, and that's it. And I have tested this on stream. It does work. And yeah, that is how you make a streamlined prediction command instead of going through all that interface that Twitch has, which I'm you know, it's great that it's available, but it takes a lot more effort than it should. So yeah, hopefully find that valuable. I might actually like set it to a button on my my Stream Deck later, just so I can just press a button and like make a command. And yeah, I think that'd be really cool. Okay, so yeah, I hope that was valuable to you. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And you can also catch my Let's Plays on the same channel. And if you'd like to catch me on Twitch, please follow me. And yeah, we can hang out. Okay, thank you for watching. Take it easy and adios.